Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I do hope that you enjoyed that solo. And this is just a friendly reminder that if you did enjoy that solo and you would like to learn to play like that, then you can head on over to Amazon and search for Levi Clay and you will find several of my best-selling country books that include Country Guitar for Beginners. You'll also find Country Guitar Heroes, 100 Licks for Country Guitar. You'll find Country Guitar Soloing Techniques. I have a country fingerstyle book, maybe it's not so much this soloing type of thing. And there's also a big compilation book that contains those first 3 books for one bargain price, my Country Guitar Complete Compilation. So yeah, check it out. And as always, thank you so much for the support. If you have any questions about this, let me know in that comment section below. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you for more videos soon. Bye.